Hi all my courageous women out there. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique is the most expected salwar material which I am wearing today. It's a mirror work, bandhani concepts and so many different concepts which we are going to show you today. Let's start the show. The first material is this, same to same concept. These are all original mirrors where you have to take little bit of care. Alright, and let me open the top and show you guys. It's all same to same fabric. It's a crushed cotton top, and then this comes with the pant, bandhani pant, and then this is with this dupatta. Same, all same. So these things you can wear it just like that. Such a nice, beautiful dupatta it is, bandhani dupatta. And I have got two more beautiful color combinations in this. It's an aqua green color and mustard yellow color concept. This comes with this. This comes with this. Nice new different concept it is. It is on gaji silk fabric with a contrast matching cotton pant and dupatta we have given. So these are all real mirrors. Let me open and show you guys how the fabric really looks. This is gaji silk is actually a slim fit as well, and the richness of the fabric is amazing. Ajrak printed gaji silk fabric. Over that we have made beautiful mirror works, embroideries. It's all real mirror works, and that comes with a contrast matching printed pant, and then with this printed dupatta. See how beautiful it is. Something really fresh and nice, new concept. The second color combination is this. This is with a deep brown color with an indigo blue concept. All comes with the pant, top and dupatta set wise. The color concept is one and the same, only the inside print is different, and this is the pant and the dupatta set. Once again, four beautiful mirror work concept along. It's being paired with bandhani pant and dupatta. So these are all real mirrors with embroidery. So little care has to be taken. This is a crushed cotton top. The cotton is really good so that you don't need a lining inside. And this comes with the bandhani pant, and once again it's a bandhani dupatta. Dupatta is so nice and amazing. Alright. And the length and the breadth of the dupatta is absolutely comfortable. So see, the fabric is so delicate and nice and fine. So lovely it is. Rose pink color being paired with bandhani pant and dupatta. Bright yellow color top with mirror works being paired with bandhani pant and dupatta. Different pink color, it's being paired with this bandhani pant and dupatta. See this indigo blue, it's being paired with such a nice amazing concept. Color combination is very good in this. These are all nice fine cottons. See, this is the pant, top, and then see this dupatta. It's being paired with an amazing bandhani dupatta. So the concept is really nice and fine. Something great. See this, how it is. I love this concept. Something a mix in the match of block prints with hand made bandhani dupattas. Make in India concept. So in this concept I have got nice colors. See this, mustard yellow with black matching, red with blue matching, indigo blue with red matching. Our last concept is this. This is Chanderi by silk cotton fabric. The fabric is really nice and fine and elegant one, where you have got beautiful embroideries on the neck panel. Let me open this aqua green and show you guys. And I have got a surprise inside. See? So this is the top for this, and this comes for the back as well as for the sleeves and everything. And the surprise is this dupatta. Happy dupatta. Oh wow, something really nice and beautiful, spectacular. How it looks on me? So nice and fine. Beautiful it is. The second color is this. Hope you enjoy seeing our collections. For prices and product descriptions, log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com under the heading Cotton Salwar Materials. Orals 9583301762 is our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us, or else if you can fix video call with us, so that we are at your service. We'll be back with lots and lots of collections. Thank you so much. Bye bye.